With the best remote keylogger, you'll be able to discover the truth about anything. Featuring remote deployment that does not require access to the PC where the keylogger is being deployed, and 4- and 5-star reviews from reputable publications such as CNET as well as others. With Remote Keylogger, nothing will be hidden from you ever again. After you've downloaded and installed the Remote Keylogger, you'll be presented with many options. You do not need to change any of the settings, as by default it runs in complete stealth mode. What you will want to set up is the email delivery system. By default, the Remote Keylogger is set for Gmail, so you can use any Gmail address without having to fuss around with SMTP protocols. Additionally, you'll receive a report every 15 minutes from the computer where the best keylogger has been installed upon. Now that does not mean that it's the same computer where you downloaded the software, as this is a remote keylogger and you'll be sending the attachment to the computer that you would like to monitor. I've now installed the remote keylogger on myself to show you a sample of why it is in fact the best remote keylogger. Here I'm going to enter some questionable search terms. Additionally, I'm going to participate in some conversations on Skype, Facebook, and email. What you're going to see, and what makes the software so special, is that it's not just going to record what I type in as other keyloggers do. It's going to record what other people say to me in response. And this is why the software constantly receives 4- and 5-star reviews, as well as offers a free version. Now, we'll check the email where we told the remote keylogger to invisibly send our reports. Let's go ahead and click one and see what it says. Naturally, the keylogger only reports on active behavior, so if the PC is not in use overnight, you will not receive a report that's basically full of no information. There are several types of reports to choose from. In this case, we're looking at screenshot reports, which I could play back as a movie if, for example, I would like to see conversations. It will also document what keystrokes were typed into that website or application, so you will know in what context the text was typed, which is important for capturing passwords and things like that. As you can see, we not only see the keystrokes that were typed into the websites, but on the applications too. Additionally, we're able to see how the people responded to us, while other keyloggers only show one side of the conversation. Once again, the remote keylogger features 4- and 5-star reviews on most major reputable online publications, featuring remote installation, invisible email reporting, and social network monitoring, along with compatibility with Windows 7, Windows 8, and Mac. Try it for yourself today and find out the truth. You can download it, free trial, from the link below. And thanks again for watching, folks.